Bismillahir-Rahmanir-Rahim. Now the question relating to zakat as to how much of an inquiry, investigation, determination you have to make as to the eligibility of the individual that you're giving your zakat to. Obviously that's an important aspect, no doubt about it, because your zakat should go to a poor person and you should give possession over to them for your zakat to be fulfilled, because if it goes to a wealthy person, and so your zakat may not be fulfilled. So in here, the Sharia has given us some leeway. You do your best, whatever's within your means. That doesn't mean that you hire an investigator necessarily, or that you even have to ask for bank statements and everything like that. Of course, any small amount of doubt, somebody's asking you for zakat and they seem a bit shady. They've asked 5, 6, 7 different people, and this seems to be kind of a repeat habit, and you're getting worried that they're just collecting money, then in that case, of course, you can ask for bank statements, you can ask for more if you still want to give it. But for the normal person that comes along, all we're required to do is to kind of assess them based on our best understanding. Say, look, you can ask them a few questions if you want to. You don't have to just give it, because unfortunately, there are people out there who do take advantage of these things wrongly. So you ask a few questions. As long as you've got contentment in your heart that, yes, this sounds right, you give it to them, that would be fine. Even if it then turns out later, as long as you've done your bit of due diligence, right? You don't have to act like a benefits caseworker where you basically just grill them, right? I mean, subhanAllah, some people do that. You don't have to do that necessarily. And then you help them, and even if it then turns out that maybe they were not eligible, your zakat would be valid as long as you've done your due diligence. We have that much leeway in our Sharia. So we just do our best. We do our best. Of course, if there's somebody who you have doubt on, then rather than do all the inquiry and everything, you could just say, I'm not going to give it to you, I'll give it to somebody else. Because sometimes a lot of this could be embarrassing as well. So you have to avoid embarrassment, but at the same time, you don't be just so light about it that you just give it to anybody who asks, even though you've got a doubt. Because if you've got a doubt, then your worship would not be complete if you've got a doubt. So you should not have any doubt. You should have enough conviction yourself that, yes, this sounds legit. And then inshallah, it's all fine. Inshallah, Allah will accept it. Jazakallahu khairan.